In this video, I'm going to talk about a method which is called the parenting method. This method will help you guys to improve your English, or in this method will help you to improve your confidence level to speak English. My name is Shuji Thomas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is this parenting method and what are the benefits of this parenting method and how to practice this parenting method. Okay, if you are a beginner, this video will be something useful for you guys. So leave a comment or subscribe to this channel if you find something valuable from this video. So what is this parenting method means? Parenting method means this is the same principle what like each parent or every parent is implementing on their kids to teach their mother tongue. Like the way how you learn your mother tongue from your parent, this is the same method which is called parenting method. So who is the parent in this method, right? It is not your mom and dad. Like if your mom and dad can speak English, obviously I think you could supposed to speak English well, right? So no need for a training for that actually, because usually the kid is speaking or all the kids are will be fluent in their mother tongue what their mother is speaking, right? So who is a parent? In this method you have to select someone who can speak English a little bit, or who can speak at least better than you, or who know the English much better, who know how to make English sentences or sentence structure, grammar, little bit English, at least someone who can help you to improve your English. One more thing, and you have to select someone who is a well-wisher for you especially, right? For example, maybe you will find a lot of people who can speak English well, but they don't want you to learn English, right? So there is no point you select that guy as your parent, because he's not going to help you in that case, right? So you have to select someone who can speak English at the same time, who is ready to help you to improve your English, right? You understand that point, right? So this is a method called parenting method. How to practice this method? That means every day you have to spend 15 to 20 minutes time with your parent, and this parent will help you to learn English or help you to correct your mistakes. For example, we were like a small kids, like 2 years old, 3 years old. We used to have maybe like a few vocabulary, maybe 5-6 words that, all together we know. So we used to manage to communicate. We used to manage to communicate to our parents with this 5-6 words, because maybe the sentence structure is not correct because we have only this limited vocabulary. But our parents used to understand, what exactly we need, right? And they never told us that, okay, no, this is wrong, or this is not the right way that you are supposed to speak, right? No, they never told like that actually, right? So they always told us, this is the correct way, you have to speak like this, and they gave you the instruction, or they demonstrate for you, and you learn your mother tongue like that actually, right? You never learn any vocabulary to speak your mother tongue. You never learn a grammar structure. You never learned any sentence structure. You never learn anything purposefully to learn a language, but you learned by experience, by day-to-day life, right? And your parents help you a lot to improve your communication skill. If you can speak well in your mother tongue, you have to say a thank you to your parents, because they help you a lot to improve your communication skill, especially in your mother tongue. So this method, the same method, your parent, the guy whom you are selecting as your parent, this guy will help you to improve your English, or this guy will help you to correct your mistakes, and he will push your confidence level to speak fluently. So every day 15 to 20 minutes you have to speak, and you have to learn, or you have to improve your vocabulary, you have to improve your speaking skills, and this will help you to elevate your English into another level. So this is all about parenting method. How to contact this guy, because maybe this guy is not near to you, or maybe he's working somewhere abroad. So every day 15-20 minutes you send some voice note on WhatsApp, or give him a call over the phone. Doesn't matter, video call, audio call, or WhatsApp message. WhatsApp message, I don't want you to type, I want you to speak in English, right? Typing is something different, because there are a lot of people who can write a lot. If I ask you to write for 1 page, 2 page, 3 page in English, it is quite easy for you to do that actually. But the thing is, when it comes to the speaking part, you have an issue in that case, right? So you have to send a voice note to your trainer or tutor, or the guy who called parent. So you have to send a voice note. He will reply to you. Which is not really required that he has to speak English fluently, but he can help you to improve your English. You could say, instead of this one, you could add this word, you could add this statement in this way. This is all called parenting method. If you got something valuable from this video, comment below and let me know your feedback. So we'll meet you again next time. Take care. Bye bye.